If your plan to get rich involves AI, you're not alone. Many people are captivated by the potential of artificial intelligence, envisioning it as a golden ticket to financial freedom. The allure of AI is undeniable, with its promise of automating tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, and making predictions that seem almost magical. But it might not be that simple. The reality is that while AI can be incredibly powerful, it's not a guaranteed path to riches. There are several reasons why AI alone won't make you wealthy. So why doesn't AI make us all rich? For starters, AI is a tool, not a solution. It can process information and identify patterns at a speed and accuracy that humans can't match, but it still requires human oversight and strategic direction. Well, first off, AI is super powerful at crunching numbers and spotting patterns. It can analyze trends, predict outcomes, and provide insights that would take humans much longer to uncover. However, these capabilities are only as good as the data and the context in which they are used, but it's not a magical money machine. AI can't generate wealth out of thin air. It needs to be applied correctly and strategically to be effective. Without a clear plan and understanding of how to leverage AI, it's just another piece of technology. You still need a solid strategy and good old-fashioned common sense. AI can provide recommendations and insights, but it's up to you to interpret and act on them. Successful use of AI requires a combination of technical knowledge and business acumen. AI can help you make better decisions by providing data-driven insights and reducing the risk of human error. It can highlight opportunities and flag potential risks, but it's not infallible. But it won't replace hard work and smart choices. The most successful applications of AI are those that enhance human decision-making, not replace it. You still need to put in the effort to understand the data and make informed decisions. And let's not forget, AI is only as good as the data it's fed. High-quality, relevant data is crucial for AI to function effectively. If the data is flawed or biased, the AI's outputs will be too. Garbage in, garbage out, right? This old adage is especially true for AI. Ensuring that your data is accurate and comprehensive is essential for getting reliable results from AI systems. Also, AI can't predict the future. While it can identify trends and make educated guesses, it's not a crystal ball. There are always unforeseen variables and events that can impact outcomes. Markets can be wild and unpredictable. Even the most sophisticated AI can't account for every possible scenario. Economic shifts, political events, and natural disasters can all throw off predictions. So, while AI can assist, it's not a foolproof method for making money. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can provide significant advantages, but it's not a guarantee of success. It's not your golden ticket to instant wealth. The key to leveraging AI effectively is to use it as part of a broader strategy, combining it with human expertise and intuition. Remember, folks, there's no substitute for patience, learning, and a bit of luck. Building wealth takes time, effort, and a willingness to adapt and learn from both successes and failures. Use AI as a tool to enhance your decision-making and streamline processes. It can be a powerful ally in your financial journey, but it's not a shortcut. Not a get-rich-quick scheme, and you'll be on the right track. By integrating AI thoughtfully into your strategy, you can unlock its full potential and make more informed decisions. Until next time, keep dreaming big and thinking smart. Embrace the possibilities of AI, but remember that true success comes from a balanced approach that combines technology with human insight and effort. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.